In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use all 21 timeframes in MetaTrader 5. By the end, you'll know how to reveal every timeframe button, switch between them with one click, analyze markets from multiple angles, and save your favorite layouts so you can get straight to trading. Start by opening any chart in MetaTrader 5. It can be any symbol you like. The key is to have a chart visible so you can work with the timeframe tools. Now, look toward the top toolbar of the platform. You'll see a row of buttons labeled with things like M1, M5, H1, and D1. These are your chart timeframes. Each button changes the period that each candlestick or bar represents. They're shortcuts designed to help you move quickly through different views of the market. If you only see a few of these buttons, let's make sure all 21 are available. Right-click anywhere in the toolbar area and click Customize. In the window that opens, add any missing timeframe buttons to your active toolbar, then click Close. Arrange them so the ones you use most often are easy to reach. MetaTrader 5 includes minute charts, hour charts, and the bigger timeframes, all the way up to weekly and monthly, and having them visible streamlines your workflow. It helps to understand how these groups differ. Minute timeframes focus on short-term price action and are great for fast decision-making. Hour timeframes smooth out noise and suit intraday and swing ideas. Bigger timeframes like daily, weekly, and monthly reveal the overarching trend and important support and resistance zones. The higher you go, the more context you get. The lower you go, the more detail you see. Switching timeframes is instant, just click a button. For example, click M5 when you're scalping and want granular entries. Click H1 for intraday trading when you need a balanced view of trend and structure. Click D1 to analyze longer-term direction and key levels. A simple multi-timeframe approach for beginners works like this. Use D1 to identify the overall trend, use H1 to spot potential setups that align with that trend, and use M5 to fine-tune your entries and manage risk. This top-down sequence helps you avoid fighting the dominant move and improves trade confirmation. You can also watch the same symbol across several charts. Right-click the Chart tab and choose Duplicate Window, then set a different time frame on each chart. For example, keep one on H4, another on H1, and another on M15. This gives you synchronized context, structure, and entry precision at a glance. When you've arranged everything the way you like it, go to File, then Profiles, and save your chart setup. This preserves your windows, timeframes, and layout so you can return to it instantly.